In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play the D7 chord. Here it goes. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to play the D7 chord. Now before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and also if you want free chord charts, go to the link in the description. So let's get started. The D7 chord is made up of 4 notes, as all 7th chords are. You have the root, which is D. You have the 3rd, which is F sharp. You have the 5th, which is A. And then you have the flat 7th, which is C. And in today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to play 3 different types of D7 chords. Now, of course, there's many more, and you can go to my other 7th chord videos and see a lot more variations. You just have to transpose them. But for now, we're just going to deal with 3. So the first way we're going to learn D7, and it's usually the most common, is we're going to learn it in an open position. So that's this triangular type shape that's right here on the 1st and 2nd fret. And so what makes this easy is we're strumming 4 strings, from the 4th string to the 1st. We put our 2nd finger on the A note, 2nd fret, 3rd string. Our 1st finger on the C note, 1st fret, 2nd string, and then we put our 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, that's the F sharp note. And then when we hit our 4th string open, that's the D note. So you have all your pitches there. Now the second way I'm going to show you is in 3rd position. Remember, 3rd position is where your 1st finger is. Now, if you know how to play a C chord, it's very much that shape. It's taken from the C chord shape, and you can just move it up 2 frets to the 3rd position. And then you add your pinky to the 5th fret of the 3rd string. But let me break this down for you. So we're going to start with our 3rd finger, 5th fret, 5th string. Then we're going to go 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string. Then our 4th finger on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And then our 1st finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And you strum from strings 5 to 2. So we're not touching the 6th string or the 1st string. And the third way I'm going to show you how to play D7 is in the 10th position. So this is our E-shaped bar chord, originally from the E chord moved up. So the way this works is we bar the 10th fret, all 6 strings. Our 3rd finger goes on the 12th fret, 5th string, and our 2nd finger goes on the 11th fret, 3rd string. You can always add your pinky to the 13th fret, 2nd string. And I always like to mention, since it's all in the same position, a jazz player may play it this way, where fingers 1, 2, and 3 are stacked at the 10th fret, strings 6, 4, and 2. So you're muting those middle strings, and your pinky goes on 11th fret, 3rd string. And those are the 3 ones I'm going to show you today. Of course, there's many more. Feel free to check out my other 7th chord videos where you can see a lot more variations, and then you'll start to get how it works and how to move them around on the fretboard. I want to remind you too, if you do want free chord charts, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next lesson.